How to change Instagram photo order after posting. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and let's log into your account over here. So let's wait until the app pops up over here and it will take us to the page for Instagram application. So make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and if not your Wi-Fi connection, switch to your cellular data as well. So let's check. The app is not running over here, so let's launch it again on Instagram. So let's wait until it shows us the home page. So now we just have to log into our account over here as of now. So let's log in, and as we log into our account, it might take a few more seconds. So having proper connection is very important. So now what we can simply do is we can tap on our profile, and as you tap on our profile, you'll be able to see all the posts and so on. So let's wait, and here you can see the different posts over here. Now you can see there are two pictures in this order. Now if you want to change the Instagram photo order after posting, what you can simply do is tap on the three dotted lines above the post, tap on edit, and as you tap on edit, what you can simply do is you can delete the particular photo that you want to change the order for. Tap on delete, and as you delete that, now if you want to add it, you'll not be able to add it. So to change the Instagram photo order after posting is not really possible. So you can just delete the picture that you want to remove the order from or something like that, and then you'll be done. But changing the Instagram photo order after posting is not really easy, or it's not convenient, and it's not the feature provided by Instagram. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.